Happy birthday, Papu. More blessings and birthday to come. Good health. And thank you po sa pag-invite sa amin. Happy birthday po ulit.
We can throw it in drive. With the radio world so loud they can hear us from miles. Me and you, nothing to do. These days they come and go. Me and you, nothing to lose. I feel it in my soul. So let's let the good times
Happy birthday, kay paring Boyet.
down. We'll never come down.
Happy birthday, paring Boyet.
Sun comes up, we'll be feeling how we do right now.
Happy birthday.
My heart's on fire, coming down to the wire. While the world sleeps, we'll keep burning brighter and brighter.
Inuuna ko po sa lahat na hindi po ako tatay. Kapatid lang po. 5 taon po ang tanda ko sa kanya, no? Kaya sa akin po na destino ang pag-aalaga ko niya.
Nothing to lose. I feel it in my soul. So let's let the good times.
Ang saya-saya.
Nothing to do. These days they come and go. Me and you, nothing to lose. I feel it in my soul. So let's let the good times roll. So let's let the good times roll. Let's let the good times roll.
Hello, good morning. We're here right now at Teens Private Pool kasi there's a big celebration and that's a celebration of Papu's 75th birthday. Yan. Si Suzanne po ako from Bread of Life Makati. Maraming salamat to the family of Mercano for inviting us over to celebrate this special occasion. God bless po sa pamilya. Bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit, Papu.
Hello, Papo. Good
Hello,
morning,
good morning
po.
po.
Happy
Papo,
birthday
birthday
po. We're so excited to join your special day po. God bless po in your birthday. Always good health and God bless po. Thank you so much for inviting us, Papu. Love you po.
Labo po. Live.
God bless po, Papu.
Hall of Famer and Grand Champion ng Philippine Airlines. Sagot mo, sagot mo. Info, tama ba ang sagot? Info, tama ang sagot.
Special child siya eh. Sobrang gumuho yung mundo ko. Siya lang kaisa-isang nagmahal kung totoo saan ako. Hanggang ngayon, tuwing pumupunta siya sa Pandakan, ang unang-una niyang pinupuntahan ang anak ko. Nachismis na nga kami sa Pandakan eh. Siya raw yung tatay ng anak ko. Dahil siya yung palagi nakikitang may bit-bit kay Jason. Dahil yung asawa ko nagtatrabaho. So, sana ang hiling ko lang kay Lord, pahabain pa yung buhay niya. Dahil kami yung extended family niya. Happy birthday, Kuya.